Hello. My name is Allen Tran, and I'm the founder of HaiKhuu Trading. Today, I'm just going to be explaining Senator Harris's financial transaction tax. So, just as a quick disclaimer, none of this video is financial advice. It is just for educational purposes only. Please take this all with a grain of salt. And as always, please do not forget to like this video and to subscribe. It all really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Just as a quick note, as this is a politically driven video, I am attempting to not be political or biased at all on this economic policy. I will be interpreting all of this from the outside as a day trader. So, what are some of Senator Harris's policies? Senator Harris's policy is to add a 0.2% transactional tax on all stocks, a 0.1% transactional tax on bonds, adding an extra 4% tax to all households that make over $100,000, adding and raising the corporate tax rate to 35% while raising top income tax brackets to 39.6%. So what is the goal of this tax? Senator Kamala Harris wants Wall Street to generate what she estimates to be well over $2 trillion over 10 years to pay for a comprehensive healthcare insurance, commonly known as healthcare for all. The policy that we will be focusing on today is Senator Harris's economic policy regarding a 2% financial transaction tax on stocks. So, what does this mean? Senator Harris is proposing that she will add a new 0.2% financial transaction tax on both entering and exiting your equity position. She states that this is like a bank paying $2 to manage $1,000 of equity, but people don't understand how large of a percentage that is and how it might kill day trading. So, how does this tax get applied, you ask? Per transaction, Harris will charge 0.2%. To open and close a position, this will equate to 0.4%. To trade $1 million in equity, one would have to pay over $4,000. Let me show you real quick how this impacts different trading styles for investors, swing traders, day traders, and scalpers. For investors, this 0.2% tax will not impact them. This 0.2% tax will cost the equivalent of almost nothing, and it is a very small proportional tax added to each transaction. For investors, there is essentially no change in how the stock market will work. For swing traders, this 0.2% tax will slightly impact them. As swing traders are less likely to become profitable than long investors, this is just a minor change. A 0.2% tax rate for swing trading will just make it slightly less profitable than before. But unfortunately, this burden will highly impact day traders. With $4,000 in transaction fees to trade $1 million in equity, this will highly change the way that people are actively day trading with margin. Day trading will instantly become significantly less profitable, while this tax rate will be killing the stock market. This is just a real example from my personal trading portfolio. Yesterday, on 10/13/2020, I traded 2,500 shares of Apple during the Apple event. This would cost approximately $600,000 in financial transactions. By doing this, I made $1,000 just by day trading equities. At a 0.2% tax rate per the transaction, this will cost me $1,200 in total. With this tax rate, including the $1,000 that I profited, I would have actually lost $200 on the day. And this tax rate would absolutely kill scalp trading. Scalpers are looking to pick up quick micro moves in an equity position, i.e., picking up 1,000 shares of a stock at $49.95 and selling again quickly at $50. These traders load up on equity and attempt to scalp the equity position for slightly more money. A 0.2% tax rate will absolutely destroy the scalps. So now this leads us to go into the pro and con of Senator Harris's financial transaction tax. The biggest pro is obviously the free healthcare. In reality, for us, we are the ones who are paying a 0.2% tax on all of our financial transactions, so everyone else gets this. And the con is obviously that 0.2% tax rate. This will not impact most traders and most people in general, but it will hurt the people who are actively trading the stock market. Without political bias, I'd like to say that this is honestly complete BS. With algorithms and humans consistently scalping and trading the market consistently, they are driving the market up. If Biden and Harris wins the election, I believe that there will be a major economic downturn due to these new tax policies. I hope you've all learned something from this educational video. As always, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe. I'm sorry about my voice. If you've made it this far, I am currently a little bit under the weather, so thank you for, making it this far and whatnot. Hope you have a great day. Take care.